Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Duncan Hines Dolly Parton sweet cornbread and muffin mix. So if you guys lost your box or if you just need a visual guide, we're here to help. We have got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need, of course, your cornbread mix. We're going to need a pan or your muffin tin to bake this in, a bowl to mix everything up in, 1 cup of milk, 1/3 of a cup melted butter, 1 egg, any color will do, something to stir this up with, and we're going to need some oil or butter if you would like to grease up the bottom and sides of your pan. Now the first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to go ahead and open up our mix and put it into the bowl. All right, now that our mix is in there, we're just going to go ahead and add our butter, milk, and egg all at once and stir it up until it is just blended. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. I like to do this little move where I lightly scrape the spoon along the bottom of the bowl as I tilt it. That way you can get out some of those bigger clumps of the cornbread mix. All right, now that we've got that all mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and grease our pan. And then we just pour all of our batter directly into our pan. If you can see here, the corners are still not quite even and it's kind of in the middle. So just take a second and jiggle her out. Just get everything even. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop this into the oven on the center rack. We're all gonna have different cooking times though because of our pans. I am using a 9x9 square pan. The cooking time for that is supposed to be 18 to 22 minutes. If you are using a different size pan or a muffin pan, here are your instructions up here with your cooking times in relation to your pan size. Now I'm gonna pop this into my oven and I'm gonna come back and tell you exactly how long this took to make in my oven for this 9x9 pan. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, we are back, and at 18 minutes, this was definitely not done. The center was still jiggly. So it has now been 21 minutes and it does seem like the center is set. We're gonna go ahead and check and see if this is done. You're gonna just insert a toothpick into the center and it should come out clean, which it is. Perfect. So here we have it. This is our completed Duncan Hines Dolly Parton sweet cornbread. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.